In our courses, I'll introduce the beauty and also get everyone to appreciate a little bit more through the science of it. We're going to go through these topics that are diamonds, and we're going to go into the 4 C's, understanding more about clarity, color, cut, and carat. So, and as well as fancy diamonds, talk a little bit about the value of fancy diamonds as well. Natural and synthetic diamonds, how we differentiate them, what are their differences. Other than that, also we will be talking about the imitation. You can have a chance to use your loupe and then have a look at what you can see, what you can find, like the differences and all that. So that will be quite interesting. Then of course we talk a little bit about diamond certificates and also the Rapaport diamond report. How do we read the Rapaport diamond report? What are diamonds? Diamond is the birthstone of April and is loved by many people for its brilliance and beauty. Okay, the earliest time where diamonds were found was in India, and that's when they call the type 2A diamonds, the top white range, very D color range diamonds, the Golconda diamond, because Golconda is a place in India which produces colorless and transparent diamonds. So if you go to auction houses, right, you see Golconda type 2A diamonds. This is what it means. It doesn't mean that it is from there, but what it means that it has that kind of quality. So these are rough diamonds. You can tell that one of it is very clear and very shiny. The other one is just shiny and a little bit translucent. These two are both diamonds but different quality. They are actually found at the beaches in Thailand. Okay, these are very low quality ones. You can see that it's also equally shiny because this is the nature of diamonds. They are just naturally very bright. So there are 2 types of diamond. We differentiate them. First type, the better quality ones, right? We call them gem quality diamond. Then the second type, like this kind that you are seeing right now, we call them industrial quality diamonds. Most of the time, all the diamonds that comes out from one single mine or any particular mine, only about 20% are gem quality, and the rest of them, they are industrial quality. In the past, it's just can see, cannot see. That means it's loupe clean or not loupe clean, alright, or piqué or loupe clean. And then as we have all the microscope and all these things coming in, right, we can detect more clearly. Some lab, they are so serious about it, they actually measure the inclusion. Okay, and based on the measurement of the inclusion, they decide whether it's SI, VS, VVS, and so on. Okay, you can see the 3. I1 is much clearer than the I2 and the I3. I1 is clearer, as in it is less included. Okay. This one has got a lot more inclusion. Now you can see the grain marks here and the crystals here, right on the table. Okay, this is why this one that you are seeing right now is an SI2, and this is an SI1. Okay, although it looks like there's still a lot, but then these are blackish inclusion, the dark ones. These are not so much. Then this is one lot of rough diamonds here. We have like the dark grey, greenish, yellowish. This one most likely fluoresces strongly because even under normal light you can kind of tell. So yellow fluorescence and then the white fluorescence. These are all none. The fluorescence is so strong it reflects to other gems, other rough pieces.